Hi, all. Good evening. Ramaya here. Today we will discuss about expression transformation, which is available in Informatica Power Center. This is of type passive transformation and connected, which helps us to calculate the expressions for each and every row. An expression transformation created with the three types of ports that are available: input port, output port, and variable ports. Variable ports are used to store the intermediate results within the transformation. In normal mode, we are not able to see the variable ports, whereas in editable modes, we are able to see the variable ports and relevant expressions that is implemented. Now, we'll see one small exercise how to implement the expression transformation in Informatica Power Center. Okay. I am going to create one expression, one mapping for or to implement our expression transformation. EXP expressions. Okay, and I can say expressions will be or FLT or filter. Okay, let me implement this one. Once created the mapping name, you just click on that one. Take EMP table as a source into your mapping designer. Now I'm going to take this particular object as a target into my mapping designer. Before discussing about expression transformation, let me discuss about source qualifier object here. If you see carefully, in this particular object EMP, which is coming from the Oracle as a source definition, data types are number, varchar to date, right? These are all converted into decimal, string, and date or time. Why these data types are converted into these kind of string, decimal, date, and time means Informatica can understand these kind of data types only. That is the reason it will convert all native data types into Informatica understandable data types. Okay. Now let me take the filter transformation to see our practical session now. This is my filter transformation. Drag and drop into the all ports from the source qualifier. In filter transformation, you can give the condition. By default, we have true statement, right? I don't want to this one. Let me implement the user defined condition. Now, department 30. Okay. If department equal to 30, will allow next level or downstream level. If not, it will reject the data from filter transformation itself. Once that is completed, you just click on validate to see whether is there any syntactical errors or not, right? If not, it will successfully complete your validation. Now, take the expression transformation. Okay, from filter transformation, you can take all ports into your expression. Go to ports tab. You can take the two additional ports to implement the expressions as per our requirement. I'm going to implement one expression that is for tax. Tax for a tax data type is decimal and I'm going to give precision on a scale. Precision is 7 and scale is 2. Let me implement the expression now. If salary greater than 1200, calculate the tax. Salary into 0.30. Okay, rest of the salaries will calculate with 0.15. 0.15. This is my requirement. You have to validate it whether is there any syntactical errors occurred or not. Okay, once done, you just click OK. Now dname. I won't implement the dname here. This is string data type. I'll do the length is 15, and let me implement the expression again. If the name, okay, if department number equal to 30, I want to write this is as sales. This is as a sales. Click on OK. Click on done. Okay, now click on OK. Click apply. Click on OK. So give the connections from your expression transformation to let me extract it. Okay. EMP number, name, job, manager. Okay. Now I provided the connections connected to my target table. Control yes. Once done, you can click on Control yes. Take the mapping name to create session and the workflow. Now go to task developer. Under task developer, create the relevant session to run your mapping. Okay, expression exp expressions filter. Click on create and you can do exp expressions filter is our mapping. Always one single mapping to your session. It will not allow more than one mapping to configure. Okay, I have connection details here. Let me give relational connection for my source. Okay, this is Arkel, and I'm going to give the connections for my target also. See, Arkel, and for time being, I'm providing target load type as a normal, and I'll provide the target table option. What it will do, if target table already having any data, that will be truncated and it will captures the current data into target table. Okay, click on apply, click on okay, control yes. Now let me create the session, workflow. WF underscore S underscore, you can use the mapping name here. Now my workflow also ready. Okay, try to configure the relevant session for this workflow to run your mapping. Control yes. Let me re-trigger start workflow. Okay, this is completed. Let me see how many are loaded. 6 records, right? It is showing If you drag here, you can see that this is source and this is your target table. What is the table? TRG, EMP, EX, PRE. See now. Okay, how many are loaded? 6 records are available into my target table. Those are all related to department 30, and I already provided the expression transformation by saying department 30 is nothing but sales, and it is calculated the tax based on our salary. Okay, this is how it will help us to implement the logics, or I can say expressions. Okay, thanks for today. We'll see some other scenarios with the different transformation in upcoming videos.